Well done. Olive oil. Right. Black pepper. Correct. Garlic. Right. Eggs. Halfway through. Basil. Right. Red onions. You're doing great. Chicken. Baking powder. Perfect. Well done. Ingredients. Peel some garlic. Tear off all the leaves. We need to grate this. Let's cut it good. This needs to be cut. Great! The ingredients are for our pizza. Now, mix the sauce. Hurrah! The sauce is make some dough. Good. The dough is ready. Now let's mix everything. Let's flatten it now. Hurrah! It's starting to look like a pizza. Now it's time for toppings. Awesome! The pizza is almost ready. Now, let's pop the pizza in the oven. Tap the screen for the pizza to cook faster. Just a little left. Hurrah! The pizza's ready. Looks like it's over there. Let's find our friend's house. Hurrah! You found him. Let's hurry to our friend. Pedal. Watch out! Cones ahead. Watch out! A stone ahead. Watch out! Oh, the bees won't let us through. Watch out! Hares ahead. Hurrah! We've arrived. Our friends, cut the pizza in slices. Now, give everyone a slice. Well done! Everyone's full and happy. Tap the present to open it. Hurrah! You've got new pizza ingredients.